Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. This is a huge day. Mr. Jack Enfield from MORryde is going to explain what we did here with the Road Warrior team by upgrading all of our new models with the new suspension. Can you talk about how the new suspension benefits the customer?
So when it comes to travel trailers and fifth wheels, they really are houses on wheels. And what consumers know is that roads are rough, and they also know that a house is only as strong as its foundation. So what Road Warrior has done is they've started using the MORryde CRE3000 suspension system with the heavy-duty wet bolt kit. When it comes to leaf spring suspension systems, they're equipped with a steel equalizer. It's basically a triangle, and it rocks back and forth. So while the conventional suspension travels 2 inches, the CRE3000 does 3 inches. And what that means is instead of hitting bumps like this, we're literally able to walk over the bumps and absorb the shock down here before it hits the frame, the sidewall, the appliances, and everything inside the unit. On the running gear with a travel trailer and fifth wheel, they come with brackets and bushings and bolts. And the traditional in the industry is 1/4 inch. This is what has been used for years and years, and most manufacturers use it. And it comes with a plastic bushing and a dry bolt. What MORryde did is we went to a heavy-duty shackle kit. So instead of that 1/4 inch bushing, we went to 1/2 inch. Instead of a plastic bushing, we went to bronze. Instead of a dry bolt, we went to wet. That bronze bushing is not going to wear out like a plastic bushing. This hole is not going to wallow out. Now the consumer never knows the hole is wallowing out because it's captured by the bolts. He knows it when this bracket breaks and he's down the side of the road. So with this heavy-duty kit, it's far superior from the bushing, from the bolt, but most importantly from the bracket. We've tested this over 100,000 miles with no lubrication, and this bracket will not wear out, whereas this will absolutely have a problem. We give you a bolt that is greasable. A standard bolt is not greasable. You have a 1/4 inch bracket, there's nothing to do to it. You have a plastic bushing, there's nothing to do to it. So the standard in the industry is there's nothing to do to it. The wear is just going to continue to happen. One of the advantages of the heavy duty wet bolt kit is now we give you a grease zerk, and now you can put grease and extend the life of the bronze bushing. And so by putting a little grease in, we recommend when you're in for your normal bearing pack once a year, just give it a shot of grease, and now you're lubricating that bronze bushing, and you're going to reduce the wear likelihood.
If you would like more information from MORryde, they can contact you directly, right?
Go to our website, www.morryde.com, or you can go to sales@morryde.com as well.
And we'll be sure to have Jack on in future episodes. Thanks, everybody.